everyone, welcome to Paper Craft Mix. It's me, Brigitte, and I know it's been a few weeks. I was very busy with an export training that I followed to go teach that. I don't think I will have passed, but I will hear that within 4 weeks. And yeah, I did have to practice a lot for it. And time was limited with work, everything. So that's why you didn't hear from me. I did work a little bit on a swap that I'm in, a Halloween swap. My first one ever. I already told you about that. But I want to show you the first things I did. In front of me I put down the die set that I used. It's one from Cascell. It's the paperclip banner. I think it came out in the beginning of this year or at the end of last year. I really like it. You can put a paperclip between it, but I use it different. I used it on a normal banner. What you get with the die set is the base piece, and you get two exactly the same dies for the layering pieces that you can do the both sides in one pass, and you get two different tassel dies. This one is so cute, you can put it here or whatever you want, and the one I did use was this one, and that's the angled one that goes here. So yeah, really nice set. It was the first time that I used it. I bought it at a D-stash from Chantal. And yeah, the first time I didn't use it as intended with a paperclip, but in a different way. So yes, I made banners, and I made two, but they are quite similar. I will show them both to you. For the hanging piece that I made, and I'm going to show the first one. This is how my first banner turned out. And as you can see here, the base for the hanger is made out of crepe paper. I followed the tutorial for that by Jenn Cascell. So I made this all from scratch, and I will link the video from Jenn, the tutorial, in the description box below, because it is really easy to make, and I think it gives a really nice, cute hanging or base for your banner pieces. So I made 3 banners to go on this one, and what I did is when I folded them over, and I hope you can see it, between that I just put some tulle ribbon that I had, and that I attached just with a bow to the banner, and I thought it looked cute. So that is the way I attached all of them. In the middle I have the sentiment, Happy Halloween. It's a die that I bought at Temu, I think, or AliExpress. Love it. It cuts really well, and you get the 2 layering pieces together. The papers that I used for this is the collection from Doodlebug. And that's the Sweet and Spooky from last year. So all the ephemera pieces, etc., are from the Sweet and Spooky, as well as the papers. So yeah, I just put some of the ephemera here, as you can see. And here you can see the tassel. I cut it out twice, and I put it between the layers. I think it's a nice accent. All of the ephemera pieces I decorated with stickles, as well as diamond dots that I had in my stash. Well, and this is another one that I made, the right one. Super cute ephemera pieces. Well, you know, a Doodlebug, it's all so sweet. I also used the banners that I made. I do think I already showed them. It's also a KS craft die with different words, and you can layer them together. You get dies for the small icons here, and I attached some sequin mix for Halloween between them, because it got spiders, scarecrows, etc. The cute kitty cat, I gave some googly eyes. Love to do that. And again, you see the diamond dots and the stickles. The other one is this one. That's the girl. So adorable. Here I attached a nail art piece that I found on Temu as well. Cute, sweet little ghost. It's a Pasteloween swap, if you didn't guess it already. There's also really nice acetate pieces in the collection from Doodlebug. And I really use them a lot on the banners. And this one, I didn't show it, but here is one as well. So sweet. So yeah, that's the first one. And the second one I did is quite similar. I used different tulle. Really beautiful green tulle with gold stars. I had it in my stash for a few years now, and it did come from AliExpress a few years ago. And here is the other one. Here I use different ephemera, of course. Again, acetate pieces. Well, all the elements are about the same as from the other one. And the back I didn't decorate. I only put some beautiful paper in the background that you can cut out with the dies. The middle is exactly the same, Happy Halloween. And here is the last one. I love this one as well, so cute. Again, acetate ghosty, stickles, word die, banner die, I must say. And some diamond dots as accents on the ephemera pieces. So yeah, this is all that I have for you today. Short video, but yeah, I really wanted to show you the things I've been working on. And the other things I am working on, I will show you a sneak peek, is this. Maybe you all recognize the die sets where it's from. But yeah, they are not finished, but that will be my next project that I am working on for Halloween. Also have to do a lot of design team work within a few weeks for Carlijn. I have some demos planned, so it will take some time here before I finish my my Halloween swap, but well, I still have a lot of weeks to go. So yeah, then I want to thank you for watching again. If you like this, go check out the tutorial from Jenn Cascell. It's really a clear tutorial, really easy. And yeah, I hope you will be back for my next video. Bye for now.